Unboxing this baby trend high chair. It's a 3-in-1 high chair that you can be used as a baby and as a toddler. So this is how it looks like. We're gonna review the features and we'll see here. My daughter's getting all the parts out, so we get the instructions. Whoa, that's one of the parts. Just get everything out. Oh, that's a huge. That's a very big. This is serving. This is like the table. It's pretty big, and that's what we need because our toddler is very messy. So let's get everything out. Those are the legs. One of the legs, it's very thick, and then there's the back of the high chair, and then I think this is part of the seat, the bottom part of the seat, and the other part of the chair. Get everything? Okay, go get those little things. So this is the quick start guide. It has an extended warranty. Your box, Noah. So here are the parts. So the first instruction says locate the seat base, which is this one, and remove the metal hinge from the rod base. So this is the rod. We're gonna remove this. So the next step is the get the seat back. This is the seat back. You would need to intersect the seat back to the seat base, and then you're gonna attach them with a rod over here. As you can see, we're gonna use the metal rod that I just removed. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So just line the seat and insert this rod. Actually, you insert it from this side. Let me see here. So just insert the rod. So as you can see there, it's all the way in. Okay, so I actually did it wrong. I had to redo it again. You're actually supposed to put it inside like this. So let's do this again. I'm redoing the whole thing. So just insert the rod again until it reaches the end, and this thing should lock it and keep it in place. So now it looks like more of a chair now. Next part, we're going to be attaching the right and left bracket in the arm. So this is how they look like. So this is the brackets. What you have to do is just align. So like this, align it, and there, it snaps right here. So let's move on to the right side. We're going to do the same, just align this to this holes. It doesn't really click very loud, but just make sure it's flush. And then, okay, so the next piece to attach is the footrest. This is the footrest. We're gonna attach it over here. Yeah, so we're just gonna attach it over here. There we go. Oops. There you go. So it's almost done. So the next step is attaching this the upper frame assembly. So you can use this lever to adjust the seat. So let's try to put this in. What I did is just inserted this all the way, and then you can adjust